Seng Fkjgp kalakular ban yai beteng ya ka jingkenra ya ki trading license bat labor license. Habai keren bat kinong pathai khubor u president ka Fkjgp uba dandi khongsit ulo ong bahaba ka sorkar ka syong alhia kem ban se ban shimti hi haladi hakabai dei bat kini ki kam. Ulo ong ru bakum kini ki jingkenra kendang yai beteng nakawai kapor syakawai pat hadu ban dadon ka rukom trekam ka bante lakam ya ka jingwan rung bean ki bar jilla syakani ke jilla.
The step has been taken by the organization for conducting the checking of the labor permit and the trading license. It is due to the negligence of the government itself. When the government set idols, it compels us as a responsible leader or as a responsible NGOs to take up this matter into the ground. So it is no longer a surprise for us when our members has been issued by a summon or notice from the police department. This is, what I said, is no longer a surprise for us, but actually from our side, we have to make a commitment. As long as we do not have a very effective mechanism to tackle influx, we are going to address or deal with this issue from time to time by conducting our raid in labor license and in the trading license.